Welcome to my channel about embedded systems and fischertechnik robotics. This video is focusing on my driving robot Mydfir, one of the oldest models that I still have. And if you have watched videos on this robot before, then you know that I have problems with connecting or staying connected with the robot by means of this data link, radio frequency data link, and its counterpart right there with the flashing light. And time and again I'm losing connection, and that's not nice. Does the sonar work? Yes, kind of. Does the line recognition, line following work? Yes. Does the color recognition work? Yeah, depends on circumstances. But most annoying, obviously, is the loss of connection. So I had the idea to test that on another model. And for that test, please check my latest video on the marble run with the roller tracks. But the conclusions that I found there, or the results rather, and the conclusion thereof, made me make another test. And that test involves another cable, but not just a cable. So I'm wondering if the whole problem is not the material, but just one of the parts. And that is what I want to be really sure about, because otherwise, if that doesn't work out, I'm really stuck with a missing connection. But let's just go for it and change to screencast to see if things work out or not. What is the test? Well, I did first a test with the diagnostic interface, and I should point out that I am not doing the test on this computer, but as you can see, I am connected via SSH to the original where all the software is. And so this is actually on another computer. And if you look at this, it works out, although the video is slower than the reality. So it is about a second slower, but it doesn't matter, it works. So I break connection, and you see that this is completely connected. So this window is connected, is the output of this one, doesn't matter for the rest. Open the interface again. And oh, that's interesting, because when I opened it first, this line only contained the one with the dash, and now it really says Robo Interface over RF data link. So I say, with these two in distance mode. All right, now you see this scrolling on again. I don't care. What I want is, yeah, and this is probably 3. Yeah. All right. So over the diagnostics, it does work. No doubt. Then I have to do it via this way, via the terminal. Will that work? For now, it does work. Does it follow the line? Not quite. So I already have to make sure. Well, it certainly doesn't follow the line. Why doesn't it follow the line anyway? All right. And it says no such device. And if I look at this one, the lights, the blinking LED here is no longer blinking. So I'm going to do it again. Okay. So this is both interesting and annoying. It refuses to follow the line. And right now the interface is kind of working. So what I am going to do is make a direct connection to see if that solves, but first once more. So the whole question now is again, and I should relocate the camera actually. So no more is visible. Why does it do it now? And the problem is always manifesting itself on the wrong occasion. Anyway, what to do? Replace the cable first. And that's it for this time. Thank you for watching. Problem diagnosed. Alternative solution found, but far from ideal. And if you want to see the whole test, please watch the whole video. Is this an ideal situation? Absolutely not. It turns out that the data link is, this part of the data link is the culprit. Can it be replaced with the current software? No. So I'll have to deal with it. Either use the cable or, well, be stuck with breaking connection. And with the breaking connection comes the flexibility. Or goes the flexibility. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the videos thumbs up, click the bell for notification, leave a comment in the description box please, down under the video. You can support by becoming a patron, by becoming a member via Ko-fi, and have all full videos for a very low amount of money. You can also just support via a donation via Ko-fi, via PayPal, via Buy Me a Coffee, and that is much appreciated. This will probably be continued. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.